Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonia, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing some more spring decor, but this time it's spring decorating after Easter, kind of adding everyday touches that could easily be kept all year long. So I'm starting off with a clean slate. I did my little spring cleaning here. I cleaned all the baseboards, washed the floors, cleaned the windows, got rid of the cobwebs, got rid of the plant from the pot there. I am changing my mind on what I'm putting there because I found that my husband was arresting all of the stuff he was bringing in from the car into the pot. So I am going to be switching that out. I cleaned the rug, had it air drying outside, so I'm going to bring it back in. This is the same rug that I've had this here for a while. It's from IKEA. And it just works well here. It's a perfect size. The only downfall, it kind of holds on to all the dust and dirt. We vacuum it every single day because of dogs, and if you lift it, there's always a ton of dust underneath it. And I have a pretty good vacuum that cleans everything up. It's just the way this rug is. So, and then I'm going to be adding some new decor touches, some old ones, and just taking along for that. So starting off with this pot, I'm going to be bringing back the sticks that I've had here for a while. I've had these sticks for a long time now, and they just work here. Like I said, I've tried with the plant and it just wasn't working for me, and these are tried, true and tested sticks that I've had here before, and they had worked, so I brought them back in. Who knows, maybe down the road I'll get something else. I thought I wanted a tall plant in here, but the pot is fairly tall to begin with, and I think a tall plant just looks silly. So sticks for the win. I've seen a couple people on YouTube going straight for the summer decor. I'm not sure that I'm quite ready to do the summer decor yet. We don't even have any flowers popping out of the ground yet here in Ontario, Canada. They are just slowly starting. The forsythia started to bloom a little, just started getting buds. So like I said, I don't think I'm quite ready for the lemons and all the summer decor quite yet. So I wanted to add some more spring into the home and keep this for another month or month and a half. So I added that wreath. That was just a boxwood wreath that came from, I got the boxwood from a Hobby Lobby a couple years back, and I made a wreath out of it. And then I'm going to play around with the vase. I had this vase here before with the pink flowers, but I felt like I wanted something a little different, so I did end up bringing this other vase that I had, or a vessel, I'm not sure how to call it. And I thought I wanted the pink flowers again, but then I changed my mind on that, as I usually do. It's a process until I achieve the look that I'm going for. I'm kind of stuck on using pretty much signature items here, like that little pot and then the truck, and then I just switch out items that I add to it. For Easter, I had carrots. I've had eggs before in here, and now I just thought a little bit of a nice yellow pop of color would look good, considering the other stuff has green in it. But once I put the yellow ones, this is when I had realized that the pink flowers weren't really working for me. So I'm going to swap those for some greenery. I do decorate on a budget most of the time. Most of my greenery comes from Dollarama or Dollar Tree. Occasionally, I will pick it up at Michael's when it's on a huge discount. And if I'm lucky enough, sometimes I find good pieces thrifting as well. A lot of my decor pieces are thrifted that I had upcycled, or my old decor that I had upcycled and created something new. I just think there's so much money going out all the time, and that decor is not something that I budget a lot of money for. And I like to reuse things and not toss them in the garbage. Do I buy new decor once in a while? Of course I do. But I try my hardest to recycle some of my old decor and create new ones. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It was a quick and easy decorate with me today. And I am going to be kind of going through my house, cleaning it and decorating and sharing all that with you. So make sure your notification bell is turned on, and make sure you are subscribed. And like I said, this decor that I'm adding could easily be used all year round. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.